Hey guys, what's up? In this video I will break down for you how to delete your browsing history in the Arc web browser. So let's get started. Now in the first step guys, launch the Arc web browser on your computer, log into your account, and once you're on your home page or on your main page, click on that icon here in the top left corner, settings, and select tabs from that drop-down menu. And from the following drop-down menu, select archive, and last but not least choose view history here. That will lead you to your account's browsing history here in Arc. Now guys, to delete your browsing data or browsing history permanently, click on that button here, delete browsing data, and choose the type of data you would like to delete as well as the time range. Like for example, you may delete the browsing data from the last hour, from the last 24 hours, from the last week, or your entire browsing history. And down below select also what type of data you would like to delete, like the browsing history, the cookies, other sites data, cached images, and even passwords and autofill form data guys if you click on advanced here. And last but not least, confirm the deletion by clicking on delete data here in the bottom right corner. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.